So the assistant stage manager's role leading up to the show is a little bit different. Basically, as the set is coming together, all the technical elements are coming together, and you're getting closer and closer to the cue to cue and all those couple weeks leading up to the show, you want to make sure that everything has its place and is in its place backstage. So you want to start almost creating parking spots for things on stage, so that everything is where it needs to be at the end of every day for every rehearsal, and then once it's there, it'll be ready for the show. You also want to make sure prior to the cue to cue that all the safety lights are up backstage. We usually keep about 5 on each side, but whatever is necessary for lighting the backstage, depending on the size of your set pieces and where things are, those you want to make sure they're in places plenty early before you get to show week. So if you need to buy more lamps, you can buy some more. If you need to buy more blue bulbs, you can buy some more. Which the blue bulbs are all kept up in the light booth in the bulb cabinet. Also, leading up to the show, you want to make sure that every set piece has its spike mark, and that is actually, you will start putting spike marks down as soon as set pieces start getting finished. So during rehearsals in musical theater, everything is in its place, so it's all staged correctly. But spike tape does come up very easily, so you want to make sure that everything is clearly marked and labeled, and you're going to replace spike tape very often. And so you want to plan ahead going into the show weeks and make sure that you have ordered the spike tape, because it takes about a week or so to come in. With the cue to cue, when you get to that day, Lexi, or the stage manager, will be in the back working with the director on the cues, but you, the assistant stage manager, will be in the backstage, basically running the sets on and off, trying to create the technical things that need to happen for the light cue to happen smoothly and efficiently, and make sure the actors are all in their places on stage.